I am Uday Bhanj. Welcome to you to your favorite YouTube channel, Uday Bhanjo's English, or Learn English with Uday Bhanj. And today, the topic is interrogative sentence, and it is a part of the chapter Types of Sentences. At first, we should know about the interrogative sentence. What is interrogative, or what are interrogative sentences? And the answer is quite simple. What are interrogative sentences? The sentences that ask questions. The sentences that ask questions are interrogatives. Just repeat it. The sentences that ask questions are interrogatives. Once again, I'm going to repeat it. The sentences that ask questions are interrogatives. Just we can take the help of an example. Yes, here are the examples. Number one, are you mad? Are you mad? Or this particular sentence asks a question. And as this particular sentence asks a question, so it is an interrogative sentence. Number two, who are you? And this sentence also asks a question. And as both of these sentences ask questions, so they are the two examples of interrogatives. Let's proceed about the types of interrogatives or the classification of interrogatives. Actually, there are two types of interrogatives in English. So what are the two types? Number one, that is yes-no interrogative. Yes-no interrogative. Number two, that is WH interrogative. Number one, that is yes-no interrogative, and number two, that is WH interrogative. And what is yes-no interrogative? What is yes-no interrogative? The interrogative that has the response of yes or no. The interrogative that has the response of either yes or no. The interrogative that has the response of either yes or no is a yes-no interrogative. Yes, here the question is, are you mad? And if you ask me the same question, are you mad? I shall give you the answer, yes, I am mad. If the same question to be asked to me by you, and I shall give you the reply, yes, I am mad. Because nowadays everyone is mad. Some persons are mad for money. Some persons are mad for knowledge. Some persons are mad for reputation, and etc. Perhaps I think that it will be better on the part of mine not to disclose you. Okay. So, as this particular sentence has the response of yes or no, here as you have asked me the same question, I have given you the answer, yes, I am mad. And if I shall ask you the same question, and you must reply me, no sir, no, I am not mad. Because no one can try to identify himself or herself as mad. Thank you. Okay. And it is the special feature of yes-no interrogative that it begins with an auxiliary verb. And here, as this particular sentence is a yes-no interrogative, so it begins with the auxiliary verb, that is are. Because yes-no interrogatives always begin with auxiliary verbs. Clear? And in when I shall make video about the particular chapter interrogative, at that time I shall teach you elaborately. Thank you. Next, I think that I shall give you information about the WH interrogative. And what are WH interrogatives? What are WH interrogatives? Most of the people say that the interrogatives that begin with WH words. Most of the people say that the interrogatives that begin with WH words are WH interrogative. But I can say the interrogatives that begin with question pronouns. The interrogatives that begin with question pronouns are WH interrogative. That means now you can see the interrogatives that begin with question pronouns, and these are the question pronouns. And what, which, when, where, who, whom, why, whose, how, etc. So these are the question pronouns. The interrogatives that begin with question pronouns, and they are called WH interrogative. Example. Yes, example is here. Who are you? And this particular sentence begins with who. And who is a question pronoun. And as who is a question pronoun, so it is a WH interrogative. Once again, the interrogative that begins with a question pronoun is a WH interrogative. Perhaps I think that yes, no interrogative and WH interrogative are clear to you so far as the chapter types of sentences is concerned. And in the next episodes, I shall make special video for yes no interrogative and WH interrogative. And if this channel is or will be useful to you and to your children, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.